Good afternoon, traders. This is the afternoon update. The market sold off all morning. It was up in pre-market and then it started selling off. Look right here. This is the SPY. Started selling off, came down even more. It chopped around mid-morning, then it came down. If you look at the daily right here, it came up all the way up to the 50-day moving average. It touched it, and then it's coming back down. But we still have potential to move back up tomorrow. It did not break the second bar right here, the green bar. Okay, did not break it yet. We're at the midway level of this green bar. So we still have the potential of coming back up because it had a little wick. It's coming back up a little bit. Okay, if it does not come up within the next hour and it starts moving towards the low of the day, our next level right here is going to be around 5080 for the S&P. All right, right here. With the blue line right here. It's going to come down to the 150-day moving average. All right, let's go over, take a look at Bitcoin. Had a pretty big sell-off really quick in the morning. It lost almost all its gains from the Trump announcement. Look at that. The other day it shot up, and then it started chopping lower and lower and lower, and now it's down at 87, which is pretty normal for a volatile coin that Bitcoin. It came right up near the trend line. Look at that. Let me zoom out. This is the daily chart. Let's keep it really simple. Look at the trend line I drew. It's not going to be perfectly. No one's going to draw your trend lines perfect, but it came up near the trend line and it came back down. Okay. I drew a quick Fibonacci right here. Let's remove it real quick. Okay, look at that. Came up the trend line, came back down. It's not over yet. We can still if it doesn't break the cis bar right here, we can still, if it breaks the trend line right here, then we can rally up to new highs really fast. It breaks the trend line, it retests, and it comes back down. It's usually how it works. So let me show you guys real quick. It breaks up right here, comes back up, then it comes back down, touches trend line, and then it goes higher. Yeah. So we needed to come back up. Any kind of breaking news, it can rally this thing back up. But as of right now, it's not looking too good. Let's hope it doesn't break the 85 level where it took off last time. If it breaks that, then we could be heading down to like 79. Okay, let's zoom back out. So this is where potentially if we can rally back up. Okay, let's scan through some stocks real quick. The market is currently down 300 points. TTD has been just in a free fall. Look at that, guys. It was at literally about 120. Gap down on earnings and just started going down, 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 down. You might bounce right here on TTD. Right at the support level right here. So if anybody wants to try it right around 68, 66. We just scroll through these real quick. Okay, this one looks kind of positive. I look for high volume stocks. You don't want to trade anything under 1 million volume, daily volume. Eric Trump came out of a tweet earlier. came out a tweet earlier saying you're welcome, my friends. Hopefully, I made someone's life just a little bit better. Came out and he said, hold for the long term. That's what he's saying, guys. You know, they got a lot of inside connections. Him is talking with his dad about what they want to put in the strategic reserve. I think they should just put Bitcoin. Okay, this one, Charter. Charter looks positive right here. It's sitting above all the moving averages, and the candle's going straight up. Right here, you can take a swing trade with a target of like right here about 407. You can target right here 407. That's Charter Communications. Let's take a look at Tesla real quick. Tesla is right in the middle between the moving averages. It needs to go up. Right now, it doesn't look too bullish. It needs to break back up about 295. It needs to get up 295 before we can get in a trade on it. Intel. Nvidia is not doing too well. We're sitting at last May's level. If you've been holding it up through the last year, last 9 months, it's not looking too good. After the earnings, they came back down, and right now the next level for Nvidia is around 110. These moving averages are like magnets. The next level for it is 110, and after that, if it drops below 110, it's a free fall from there. Nobody knows. 110 and then about 100 for this level right here. Okay, so some of you guys like to draw little boxes. I'll draw a little box right here. Roughly this area. It might bounce around this area. So this is around 100. 100 to 105. Roughly around that area. The market's going lower. Down 350 now. It doesn't look really good to go long on anything right now. So we're gonna give it a break. I'll give you guys an update later. And like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.